Hello, Claire from Shenzhen HR Tenda. Today I'm so happy to recommend our high-end AM system. The material is imported acrylic. Now this is our dear label. I will show how to test it. The range detection for this deer label could reach 2.2 meters. Also, for heart attack, the range detection will be much bigger. Now you could see for the antennas, the lighting color is blue. You could see the lighting performance is very beautiful. That's why our many customers like this model. Usually we use these high-end models for shopping malls and franchise stores. Now behind me, this is our hottest RF dual systems. This could be used for many retail stores. This is a order by container to foreign abroad. If you like our RF model or like our AM model, welcome to contact Claire. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
OK 了，不会啊，这视角挺好看的。